Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about moonquakes. What are they? How do they happen? And why are they important? Moonquakes are seismic activities that occur on the moon, similar to earthquakes on Earth. They were first discovered by the Apollo astronauts. Moonquakes can be caused by a variety of factors, including meteorite impacts, thermal expansion and contraction, and gravitational stresses caused by the Earth and Sun. Chandrayaan-3 mission detected a possible moonquake on August 26, 2023, using the Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity (ILSA) attached to the Vikram lander. The Apollo 17 lunar lander base is also creating small-scale moonquakes on a daily basis. Study of moonquakes is important because it can help us understand the internal structure of the moon. For example, scientists have used data from moonquakes to determine that the moon has a complex geological structure hidden deep within, rather than being uniformly rocky like the Martian moons Phobos and Deimos. Moonquakes can be categorized into two types: deep moonquakes and shallow moonquakes. Shallow moonquakes, which occur at depths of less than 20 kilometers, can register up to MB 5.5 on the body wave magnitude scale. The largest moonquakes are much weaker than the largest earthquakes, though their shaking can last for up to an hour. Due to fewer attenuating factors to damp seismic vibrations, deep moonquakes occurs about 700 kilometers below the surface, probably caused by tides. Moonquakes are measured using seismometers, which are instruments that detect and record ground vibrations. The Apollo astronauts deployed several seismometers on the moon during their missions, which recorded thousands of seismic events, including meteor impacts and deep and shallow moonquakes. The data from these seismometers helped scientists understand the internal structure of the moon. NASA is currently developing a next-generation seismometer called the Subsurface Lunar Investigation and Monitoring Experiment, SUBLIME, that will be deployed autonomously on the moon's surface. The system's data will not only map the moon's interior, but also alert astronauts to seismic events. The impact of moonquakes on lunar exploration is significant. They can cause damage to spacecraft and equipment, making it difficult to conduct experiments and collect data. However, they can also provide valuable information about the moon's interior structure and composition. For instance, the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, detected a natural seismic event on the moon's surface using the Instrument for Lunar Seismic Activity (ILSA) payload on Chandrayaan-3 lander. The seismic activity detecting equipment on the Chandrayaan-3 lander also managed to record the vibrations taking place due to the movements of the mission's Pragyan rover and other payloads. This discovery could give scientists a rare insight into the mysterious churning innards of Earth's lunar companion. Moonquakes can have both positive and negative impacts on lunar exploration. While they can cause damage to equipment, they can also provide valuable information about the moon's interior structure and composition. Moonquakes and earthquakes are both seismic activities, but they occur on different celestial bodies and have different causes. Earthquakes are caused by the movement of tectonic plates, which are large slabs of rock that make up the Earth's crust. When these plates move against each other, they create seismic waves that can cause the ground to shake. Moonquakes, on the other hand, are caused by a variety of factors, including meteorite impacts, thermal expansion, and the gravitational pull of the Earth. Another difference between moonquakes and earthquakes is their duration. Earthquakes usually last for a few seconds or minutes, while moonquakes can last for up to 10 minutes. This is because the rocks on the moon are much harder and stiffer than those on Earth, which causes them to ring like a bell and allows quake vibrations to bounce back and forth inside the moon for a long time before dying out. Apollo-caused moonquake. A new study by researchers from the California University of Technology has revealed that the Apollo 17's leftover lunar module is causing tiny moonquakes on the surface of the moon. The tremors on the lunar surface are caused by the result of daily temperature variations. Unlike Earth, the surface of the moon does not have an atmosphere to insulate itself. Therefore, it experiences temperature variations between day and night. When the lunar surface heats up, it expands, and when it cools down again, it contracts. These movements result in cracking near the surface and tremors known as thermal moonquakes. The researchers used machine learning to analyze archival data of moonquakes collected during the Apollo era and found that previous analyses had mischaracterized a surprising source of vibrations. The structure, located a few hundred meters away, heated and expanded in the morning, and the seismic array picked up the resulting vibrations. Detecting seismic activity on the moon can teach scientists a great deal about materials under the lunar surface, and other important information for future lunar missions. So, that's all about moonquakes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more.